How to turn on Instagram shopping. Before we begin, be sure to subscribe and ring the bell to get notified about the latest videos and follow me on Facebook. Let's get started how to turn on Instagram shopping. At first, go to your business account on Instagram, click right up on the menu, then settings, then go on your business, and here is sign up for shopping. At first, give continue, then you have to add your catalog, connect your product catalog in Facebook. Of course, when you have connected your Facebook fan page and Instagram business, it's really easy. Then everything's good. Instagram is reviewing your account. When they review your account, you can start tag your product. Thank you very much for watching this video. Be sure to subscribe my YouTube channel because of latest videos and follow me on Facebook. I'm looking forward to see your likes and comments.